Hello, friends. Love you all. Do you know what is the youngest and virgin country in the world? A child country, and how that become a superpower? In only about 300 years, this country ruled the entire world, the USA. Just understand a child characteristics. Child is future oriented with full of imagination, unlimited energy. So US is a child country, doesn't have any past, no history, no religion, no tradition, no culture. Nothing originally belongs to USA. Do you know that? Only future full of potential with unlimited energy in this country. This newly born country has same character as child. So US is a virgin country there, and there is hardly any American in America. Few American Indians, they never influenced to build America anyway, so they are negligible. So it's very surprised how it's become a superpower, how it's born. From all over the world, most intelligent, clever, enthusiastic, risk takers, scientific natures, people start to migrate USA. So USA is filled by world most intelligent, wealthy and powerful people. So what is the wealth of a country? Actually their people, isn't it? These people migrated from all over the world. They built the country from scratch, from the beginning. The law, constitute, policies, army, infrastructure, everything developed. So development was revolutionary there. Very dynamic. This country is too dynamic. But the problem of modern development is USA grow only economically. They become rich and powerful. The whole science really, almost every science experiment, new thing emerged from there. USA is the world leader of science. Science has a problem. Science, the biggest problem is trust that is in physical form. Science is based on existence level. But what about love, peace, joy, soul, God? Science believe only in physical form. If things are not physical, then science ignore them so far. But now science is getting mature since the West start to mingle with the East. Science mingle with the spirituality. Now science start to believe in known existence as well. A new revolution already started to take place. Now the next generation human being will be rich and wealthy as well as rich in peace and love and joy. That's what I can see the next generation people can be. I want to see world develop on both direction. I want to see people develop economically and spiritually together. They will be a complete human being. So let's talk about East philosophy. Do you know the journey of Rishi Yogi Muni? Actually, who are so enthusiastic to find the truth, he takes sannyas. And once they take a sannyas, they go through some ritual to visit or experience death. Gurus ask them to experience death and send them to live in cemetery, samsan, for few days. Then Guru give them a new name, new clothes. And cloth color is like A fire color means he burned himself and born again, reborn again. So his cloth is fire colored cloth. Sannyas means a new birth really. So yogi are truth seekers, finding the life truth. These people never identified with anything. They are totally free. They drop ego, forget past. They don't have any belief. Become empty to be new again, free again. So the true seeker doesn't belong to any caste, religion or a country. This also treat as rebirth. Sannyas is a rebirth. Yogi means a capacity of pure knowing, fully awakened, full in consciousness. Once they reach to nirvana or enlightenment, we see them yogi or rishi or enlightened people or God even. And there are thousands of Buddhas, Jesus, Muhammad, we call them gods. And others, once they reach to that stage, they form a new gathering. New group of people is surrounded around them. That has to happen because they have such a character. That's why we call them as a god. So East earn that kind of a completeness. But East or West, both life are incomplete. Science create wealth, so science, the West become rich and powerful, but no bliss. They lost peace. Mental disorder, depression, suicide, all are Western concept. While outside is full, but inside everything is empty in them. The highest number of psychiatrics doctor required in US. Do you know that? Highest number of mental illness in US. Other side, the East glimpse of peace. Play flute inside. They can play music. The ultimate joy they can attain. But East lost wealth. And those who lost outer world, outer power, outer wealth, become poor and slave. Now there is an opportunity to develop a new concept, a new country of the world, a place for like a united nation, free independent place. Can we build a place but not a country? Yes, I think we can. A place that governed by world best leaders, administrators, thinkers, artists, poets, all should unite to build an ideal place for the entire world. The infrastructure, economy, law, constitute, everything will be designed fresh. All spiritual gurus, real enlightened people living now like Muji, Jaggi, Tole, and there are many, will live to enlighten the new peoples. So everybody can grow economically and spiritually. Now we have an opportunity to merge science and spirituality together. A new opportunity really. I am talking to Modi ji, you, Boris Johnson, you, Biden, you. I need leaders, best leaders, not politicians for this. Anyway, I have tremendous energy in me. I can see, I trust myself, and once that start to flow out, the dream place can start to form. Even it can form from a village even. My burning energy will not stop. and should not stop. God bless me. I am not proud of myself, but I can see my proud from my soul. Actually, only yogi, rishi type of person can understand this and will have trust. Yogi means a seeker, inventor, a khoji, and on the way to God, he believe he can be a God. That much confidence, that much trust we need in ourselves. He know that he is nothing but a part of uns of the Supreme, the God. How he can be less? His trust is complete. So I'm not sure yogi like Chief Minister of UP is a real yogi. I need to interview him. He may be a good politician, but he is a yogi, he is a leader, I'm not sure. It doesn't matter how big, powerful, wealthy a person is. If I can't see yogic character in them, then he is not right person for this cause. So if we start now to build that kind of a place, I can guarantee, trust me, I can see within 5 years that place can be a central place for the entire world within 5 years. And everyone will be proud to be the part of it. So what type of a place we are looking for? Just an example here I'm giving. Like Kashmir is one of the best places in the world, beautiful place in the world, and I believe it's can be a United Nations country. Kashmir is one of the most beautiful place on the earth, but for the past few decades, it become volcano, a big risk for the entire world, potential to be the cause of greatest disaster of human history. Kashmir is in between China, India, Pakistan, and nearby Russia as well. Also surrounded by the most dangerous terrorist group in the world. And do you know that India and China have nearly 3 billion population, almost 40% world population? And this Chinese aggression to be the world leader is a dangerous ambition. World can see India would be the best option and arguably the only possibility to challenge China. So the Kashmir, the Indian pride, the Taj, and can become the world pride as well, the world Taj as well. Beautiful place, yet to build from beginning anyway. So Modi ji has already started Indian mission there. A revolution already begins. I request Modi ji a meeting. Is there any other leader who can help me to initiate this talk? Another place I can think is Israel. I really trust Israel a lot. I don't know why. I think it's the highest potential country that can become a UNM, world leader country. I will try to convey my message to Benjamin Netanyahu too. I'm not sure how, but I will try, or my supporter will try. Can you help me on that? I'm looking who can help me. I'm sure someone out there, please get in touch with me. I need a huge support from all of you. If you like this thought and trust, then reply support in my feedback, in my YouTube talk, my channel. Also, I insist you to forward this message as many people as possible, please. So this voice can be heard by and reach to those best leader of the world. Your support only can raise this voice. I begging your help really here. And we can build the next generation, 22nd generation people can be born there. I'm repeating again, the world leader country, the leader of all countries. That place can be generated, can be initiated now. Thank you for listening this one, and I hope your support is always with me. Please do write support on the feedback. Thank you.